Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Do you know one small habit that can change your life? That habit is gratitude. Today, let's understand why gratitude is important. So, first of all, we find that what is gratitude? Gratitude means saying thank you for what we have. It means appreciating small and big things in our life. For example, being thankful for our health, being thankful for our family, being thankful for food, shelter, and opportunities. First, number one step is gratitude makes us happy. When we focus on what we have, we feel happy. We stop complaining. Our mind becomes calm and positive. Gratitude helps us enjoy the present moment. Number two, gratitude reduces stress. When we are thankful, we worry less. We stop thinking only about problems. Our heart feels lighter. Gratitude brings peace to our mind. Number three, gratitude improves relationships. When we say thank you, people feel valued. Our relationships become stronger. Gratitude creates love, respect, and trust. Number four, gratitude builds confidence. When we are grateful, we feel enough. We believe in ourselves. We understand that we are already blessed. How to practice gratitude daily? You can practice gratitude very easily. Like, say thank you for every day. Write three things you are grateful for. And smile and appreciate small moments of your life. So, gratitude is not about having everything. Gratitude is about appreciating what we already have. Start gratitude today, and your life will slowly change. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing, keep shining.